Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing lemon cocktail. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 ounces of your favorite spirit like vodka or gin, along with 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Don't forget 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup to achieve that perfect sweet and sour balance. Also, have your cocktail shaker, a strainer, and plenty of ice ready. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the lemon. Begin by rolling your lemon on a hard surface. This helps release more juice. Next, carefully zest a small strip of the peel to save for your garnish. Then, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out 1.5 ounces of fresh juice. Make sure to strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure your cocktail is perfectly smooth and free of any pulp or seeds. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to mix. Add 2 ounces of your spirit, 1.5 ounces of the fresh lemon juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup into your cocktail shaker. Now, fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures all ingredients are well combined and perfectly chilled, creating a delightful frosty exterior on your shaker. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Remove the lid from your shaker and use a fine mesh strainer to pour the chilled cocktail into a pre-chilled coupe or martini glass. Be sure to hold back any ice from the shaker. Take your reserved lemon zest twist or a fresh lemon wheel and gently place it on the rim or float it in the drink for an elegant touch. Serve immediately and savor the bright, crisp flavors of your homemade lemon cocktail. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.